Hello from Slovenia again. I have a bunch of colors mixed with Elmer's Glue or pouring medium from my previous pours, and when I have just a little bit of paints left, I think it's time for use some canvas or canvas board and some dirty pouring. So I basically just dirty pour my paints into some pearl white. I added pearl white mixture in the bottom and some reflex yellow, some deep yellow, some primary yellow. I have some primary magenta, sorry, some reflex rose, some alizarin violet, I think, or dioxazine violet, some olive green light, olive green deep, some black, some burnt sienna, and burnt umber. So pretty wild colors to use together, but I really like the final result. So I'm basically just, squeezing out most of the paint that it's in my squeeze bottles, so that I can clean them and I will create something nice with it anyway. So don't be afraid when you have some paints left to just do some dirty pouring and pour it straight up. I will wiggle a little bit, or how can I say, I will travel with my cup a little bit on the canvas board that I have here to create some movement, and the final result is just gorgeous. So I will let you listen to some music and enjoy. So here is a close-up of the dried result. I have to, I don't know, frame this. I love the shape, but have to frame it. Look at these details. I love the effects that this yellow gives with pouring it into the pearl white, and I'm glad that some burnt sienna stayed here too. I love it. I know that it's a little weird with that yellow on top, but those were just the paints that I have them mixed with Elmer's glue all, and I wanted to use it up. And dirty pour, it's kind of a way to go for me when I have a bunch of paints left. Just a little of some paints and another ones, and you can still create some beautiful piece of art. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check Fluid Art Boutique site for classes in DC. I will come to States again, so if you want to learn from me, this will be probably time, because I don't know if I will go again, but I will definitely come this August. On Fluid Art Boutique, check their website for the tickets, hotels, and everything else. And see you on the next one.